Why sky is blue. Sunlight reaches Earth's atmosphere and is scattered in all directions by all the gases and particles in the air. Blue light is scattered more than the other colors because it travels as shorter, smaller waves. This is why we see a blue sky most of the time. What are the contributions of Marie Curie? Marie Curie is remembered for her discovery of radium and polonium, and her huge contribution to the fight against cancer. During World War I, she developed mobile radiography units to provide X-ray services to field hospitals. Is the Earth's rotation slowing down? The planet's rotation is slowing down overall because of tidal forces between Earth and the Moon. Roughly every 100 years, the day gets about 1.4 milliseconds, or 1.4 thousandths of a second, longer. Who is the founder of Signal Messenger? Signal, that goes with the tagline, "Say hello to privacy," has been around 2014. It was developed by Signal Foundation and Signal Messenger LLC, a non-profit company. The Signal Foundation was created by WhatsApp co-founder Brian Acton and Signal Messenger CEO Moxie Marlinspike. Acton left WhatsApp in 2017 and donated $50 million to help fund Signal. What is considered to be a dwarf planet? According to the definition adopted by the IAU in 2006, a dwarf planet is a celestial body orbiting a star that is massive enough to be rounded by its own gravity but has not cleared its neighboring region of planetesimals, a minute planet, and is not a satellite. More explicitly, it has to have sufficient mass to overcome its compressive strength and achieve hydrostatic equilibrium. What is the history of the Great Wall of China? The Great Wall of China is made up of numerous walls constructed over 2 millennia, across northern China and southern Mongolia. History goes that in 7th century BC, the state of Chu began to construct a permanent defensive system. Between the 6th and the 4th centuries, other states too followed the trend. Later in the 3rd century BC, Emperor 6 Shiguangdi of the Qin dynasty connected a number of walls into Sinli system. The wall with all its branches measure out to be 21,196 kilometers. What is the origin of kite? Kites were invented in Asia, though their exact origin can only be speculated. The oldest depiction of a kite is from a Mesolithic period cave painting in Muna Island, southeast Sulawesi, Indonesia, which has been dated from 9,500 to 9,000 years BC. It depicts a type of kite called kagati, which are still used by modern Muna people. The kite is made from kolo, forest tuber, leaf for the mainsail, bamboo skin as the frame, and twisted forest pineapple fiber as rope, though modern kites use string. In China, the kite has been claimed as the invention of the 5th century BC Chinese philosophers Mozi and Liu Ban. What is aurora? Aurora, also known as polar lights, a natural glow appearing in the Earth's sky in the Arctic and Antarctic regions, is caused chiefly by solar wind. How much time does Mars take to orbit the Sun? Although the Mars is smaller than Earth, it takes longer time to revolve around the Sun. A year on Mars is longer than an Earth year. Mars take about 687 days to orbit the Sun. It travels 227,840,000 kilometers to complete a course around the Sun. What is unique color clock? color clock uses changing colors instead of numbers and hands to indicate the time of day. Each hour has its own color that fades gradually into next. The day starts off in the cool blues, midnight, and the slowly transition through green, yellow, orange, red and so on until all parts of the visible color spectrum have been displayed. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates from Rabbit Fox Insight.